Um, Good evening, everyone. My name is Vincent Yakub. I live in Balaybay proper, Castillo, Zambales, and I am 24 years old. Um, my topic or my project is all about the contemporary world in peaceful education. Peace education. Um, what I have done um, show peace in our society. It shows that education is peaceful and peaceful way to address our poverty in life. Peace to our students study that where they are struggling or struggling what they went to study. Um, peace to learn and graduate from school to me and all of us to overcome poverty or rise above poverty. Love our My motto is love our, our society, and education is the way to rise our poverty. Thank you.